Hey, Joey, what's going on?
Just want to make sure we're good on that meeting today.
I'll be there.
Remember, guys, I'm going to be out tomorrow for the weekend. Oh, yeah, have a great trip.
Hey, Google, turn off the lights.
Hey, Google, send a message.
I have arrived. I can't wait to see you guys. Hey, guys.
What is this? Put your phone down.
What's going on? Hi. Where we going? Let's go. We're going.
Okay, so my dad is reading my parents. Wait, guys.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Introducing the Aero Smartwatch with a 360 rotatable camera. With the camera right on the bezel, you can capture a selfie in one moment, twist, then shoot a video in the next. And since you always have a camera on hand, you can snap a quick photo and upload it without breaking your day. And who wants to carry a phone all the time? Keep your hands free and snap amazing shots on the go. But capturing high-quality video and audio on a small device can be a big challenge. At Aero, we've created a high-def camera and microphone that fits within a tiny footprint, making it easy to capture any moment, at any time, and in stunning detail. This is the world's first smartwatch with a 360 rotatable camera. Aero.
Vivo Move Hr brings all the functionality of a dedicated activity tracker to you in a stylish hybrid smartwatch. In this video, we're going to introduce you to your new watch and show you how to use some of the main features. The first time you use your Vivo Move Hr, you'll need to plug it in and charge it. Just align the pins on the included charging cable to the ports on the back of the device and clip the charger on. Then plug it into any USB port. Follow the instructions to pair it with the Garmin Connect mobile app. After you've paired it, just double-tap the lower part of the watch glass or gesture to activate the digital display. You can swipe the touchscreen area to unlock your device from the glance mode. The hands will automatically move out of the way. Then swipe to move through your widgets. View steps, floors climbed, intensity minutes, calories burned, music controls, weather forecasts, notifications, heart rate, and current stress level. Just tap a widget to see more information. For example, if you tap heart rate, you'll see a graph of your heart rate. Tap the back arrow to go back to the widget loop. You can also hold the screen to open and close the menu from any widget. The first menu item is the activity list. Tap it to choose from walking, running, cardio, strength training, and other activities. Select an activity, then double-tap the screen to start your activity. You can swipe left or right during your activity to see data fields such as heart rate and calories burned. When you're finished, double-tap to end your activity. Then swipe to select whether you want to save or discard the activity. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about Vivo Move Hr.
We believe that smartwatches should give you the freedom to stay connected longer. Introducing the all-new Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch elegantly blends state-of-the-art technology with classic analog aesthetics, enhanced by the ticking second hand. Its signature circular bezel and vivid S-AMOLED display create a unique experience that elevates your style. Mix and match the Galaxy Watch with over 60,000 watch faces and a wide selection of straps. Its 5 ATM water resistance enables you to be more active outdoors. Our custom-made dual-core processor is built on low-power architecture to make the battery last several days on a single charge. Spotify with LTE takes your music on the go. And you can now take calls and send messages without needing your phone nearby. Thanks to its integrated movement sensors, the Galaxy Watch becomes your personal trainer, encouraging you to choose from 39 predefined workouts and times each rep as you move from one exercise to the other. The 4 heart rate sensors check your pulse to monitor your health and well-being. The Galaxy Watch provides focused breathing guides that help you relax. These sensors also track your sleep and REM patterns to feel more rested the next day. The daily briefing presents your schedule and weather forecast, while the My Day watch face takes care of your calendar, alarms, and reminders at all times. Galaxy Watch gives you the freedom to control your IoT devices, whether you're at home or on the go. And with Samsung Pay, you can leave your wallet and phone at home. The all-new Galaxy Watch helps you to stay connected longer. Samsung Galaxy Watch.